Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to install any website as an application. So basically what I mean by that is by an application you'll have like an icon, right? Whether on the desktop, on the taskbar, or on the start menu, anywhere, right? Then you can just double click it, and then once you double click it, it will open up that website, right? In its own you can think of it like an application, but essentially it is a browser running. Okay, so let's give an example of YouTube. So I do have it open right here. So I have YouTube over here. So basically to install it, I do have this opened in Edge, right? And we will go here and go to apps and then click install YouTube. Okay, I'll ask this, let's press install. And you can see that it opened up in a new window. So let's just pin to task, sure, allow. And now let's close, or let's just minimize it for now. So now you can see over here, we have this thing, YouTube on the bottom, its own application. Let's close it, right? And you can see it's pinned to the taskbar. So over here, I can unpin it also. And then if I search it also, YouTube, you can see over here, it opens up, it opens up the app. Right, and it has all the features. You can see your channel, everything. Basically do whatever you want on the YouTube site itself, right? You can refresh over here and basically just view whatever you want in this application, and then you can close it also. So now let's say if you do want to uninstall it, you would uninstall it similar way you would uninstall any other application. You can go to the menu and go to uninstall, or you can just search YouTube here and then right click and uninstall. So this will uninstall it from your computer as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, right? You can do that for pretty much any website, right? So you'll most likely, I haven't come across a website you cannot do that to, right? So it's because essentially when you do open this, it is a browser in itself, so it's no different than it being run on Edge or Chrome or whatever. So it is very similar. So yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts are. If you have any question or comments, leave them down below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Other than that, I will see you guys next time. Peace.